everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you my December 21st Advent. So let's get started. So this one is for Southern Skeins, so I'll set that out. And then I've got to pull one out for Hearts on Fiber. So I'm going to pull these out. Set these out here. Yep. Okay. And then the sewing element. And this is a tape measure. There we go. And then the woobles. Here it is. The woobles. And now let's take a look at everything. So, for the woobles, we got this cute little stocking. And there it is on the back. That's just totes adorable. I love it. That's cute. For Hearts on Fiber, I had one more to catch up on, so I opened two. So this is a gauge, which is so cool. I love it. Absolutely. It's by Crinkles. And of course, it's got a little hook on it, so you can hook it onto your bag. And then there was this box. And it is a candle, and it's called, the fragrance is called Hidden Forest. And I wanted you to see the candle, which is so cool. It smells really good. And there's what the candle looks like. It's got these rocks in it. And it smells really, really good. I'll read to you what the candle fragrance notes are. As soon as I open that, it just smells so good. The fragrance notes on this are, here it is. The top notes are vanilla, tonka bean, some other kind of bean. The middle notes are cardamom, amber, and pepper. And the base notes are agarwood, Brazilian rosewood, and sandalwood. So I'll hold that up there. Vetiver bean, that's what that was. So those are the notes. And that's really a nice, it's very nice candle. It's got weight to it. It's a really nice candle. So then we have Southern Skeins. So let me open this one up. And we'll take a look at that. And oh, how pretty is that? It is red and green. Loving that. That's awesome. So there is Southern Skeins. Alrighty. So stay tuned for the 22nd. We're winding down on this calendar. Oh, and the tape measure. And there is the tape measure. And of course, it's done in both. There it is. Alright. Stay safe. Be kind to one another. And as always, happy yarning. Bye now.